It happened, yes. I'm sure it happened to you. That's why you're here. Let's be in pain together. I got denied for the YouTube partner program. You may have got denied too. All this time of working hard, all this time of putting in so many hours, day after day after day, hour after hour, doing so much work to be denied. You like, dang, like I'm trying to do this the right way. I'm trying to do something right. But imagine all the work you put in. You're doing it wrong. So let's dive in. That's what I was told, right? That's what I was told. My videos that I was doing, I was basically doing them wrong. I started off doing reaction videos. I started off about, I think, 5 months ago today, just trying to understand how to get monetized on YouTube. I really started off on Instagram creating skits. As some of you guys know, I'm a barber. So I started creating barber skits to just build buzz around my brand, right? To build buzz, not just around my barber brand, but to build buzz around other companies that I'm doing, such as my credit repair business. So I wanted to build buzz around my brand. So I started off on Instagram and I started putting videos out on Instagram, just comedy videos, right? And along the way, people were telling me that YouTube really pays the most. YouTube pays more than Instagram, more than TikTok, more than Snapchat, more than Twitter. YouTube is the creme de la creme, if I should say so, of the content platforms, right? So I'm like, okay, cool, bet. Let me get on YouTube. So, I started researching videos. Yo, how do you get monetized? How do you get monetized? How do you get monetized? So I came across a few videos that were like, yo, you should do reaction videos and you can get monetized on YouTube doing reaction videos. So I'm like, okay, great, bet, let's do it. So I started doing shorts, right? I started doing YouTube shorts, reaction videos. And I'm like, man, my subscribers start jumping crazy back to back. I'm like, oh man, I went from 5 subscribers to 20 subscribers to 100 subscribers to 200 subscribers to 500, and it starts jumping. And I get all the way up to 1,000 plus subscribers. And I'm like, okay, cool. That's like one of the first things to be able to get monetized is getting that first 1,000 subscribers. So I'm excited. I'm like, oh man, dang. And it worked. I'm watching videos on YouTube that's showing me how to get monetized on YouTube, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. It worked. Now, the next step, it's like I got to create long form videos because you cannot get monetized on YouTube as far as your watch hours go by doing shorts. You have to build your watch hours by doing long form videos. So I'm like, okay, cool. Well, if I got my 1,000 subscribers by doing shorts, with reaction videos, let me do reaction videos on long form videos, right? Because again, I'm watching different videos. I'm seeing people doing reactions on long form videos and I'm like, let's just do it. Cool, boom. So I started doing reactions on long form videos and I'm getting a lot of views relative to my channel, right? I'm getting a lot of views at the time. Is 1,000 here, 2,000 here, 5,000 here. I'm like, okay, cool. But I'm not realizing that the way that I'm doing the reaction videos, you cannot play a lot of their video in your video because you're essentially stealing their content. And YouTube is not going to let you monetize off of pretty much taking someone's content and not being original, right? And of course, kind of common sense a little bit, you're stealing somebody's content. I didn't look at it like that. I was looking at it like, okay, well, I'm just reacting and putting my own spin and giving my opinion on that content. So YouTube tells me, hey, you have to take it and make it your own. If you're playing a video, it's like, that's cool, but you got to make it your own. We want creative creators in this partner program. so that when we run ads against your videos, it's something that's creative, that you put together, that's really your opinion. Even if you're putting little clips in here or whatever, here and there, it's really your thing. So after 4 hours of sitting in my car, upset at the world, because I want you to understand, I did so many videos because I'm like, okay, let me, if I put out more videos, by default, I'll get more watch hours because I got more stuff to, people to look at. So I put out close to 100 videos, close to 100 videos in a span of 2 months. Bruh. That I cannot use, or I cannot use all of the video. So what I'm doing is I'm going back and I'm taking out the pieces of me reacting to other people's. I'm still reacting to it, but it's just I'm taking out pieces of me using other people's stuff, and I'm getting more original. And that's what this video is about. Is not just the fact that you got denied to get into the program, but how do you get approved for the program? How do you get into that system that we all like? Yo, I want to be this creator. I want to get paid from ads. I want to make money with YouTube. How do we do that? So what I've come to realize, and again, I'm not monetized just yet, but I do understand what YouTube is talking about, because just like you, after this happened, I started researching all these videos. Yo, I got to figure this out. And I wanted to make this video to really help and just give you guys my opinion on what I'm doing, right? And what it is that be creative. You can react to things, but be creative. Don't take someone's content, because you got to look at it from their perspective, right? And YouTube is just trying to be fair, right? A person goes, I worked hard on this content. I went as hard as I could. I researched this, I researched that. I got this person to come on my podcast, right? And they put that piece together. And you're kind of just coming and saying, cool, I ain't got to do all that. I'm going to just react to your stuff. And I'm going to get paid off your stuff. That's how they looking at it. They want you to create this original content that's so original that people are coming to really watch you. They're hearing what you're saying about reacting to certain things and that happen, but they're coming to watch you. They're tuning into you as the creator. So my best advice to you guys is that it don't matter how you come in. Be you. Get on here and be you. Get on here and say, yo, this is me. This is my personality. This is how I talk. This is how I react. This is how and use less of other people's stuff and use more of you, and show the world you, right? And build your community and your people that love you and that vibe with you. They're gonna come to your hub and they're gonna be like, yo, I want to be with him or with her. So I personally believe that that's what YouTube is saying to everybody, to me, to you, to all the other people that's been denied for the partner program. Is like, yo, I want you to be yourself. I want you to get on here and vibe with the people. I want you to get on here and build a community that rocks with you, not because you're playing a DDG thing or a Kai Cenat thing. They got their people. They want you to be yourself and play your things. And again, nothing wrong with putting little clips here and there, putting little small things or whatever, little pictures and this and that to kind of explain what you're talking about. But more so just you. Who are you? So I think that's what it's about, man. And I think that if you do that, YouTube is definitely going to reward you greatly, but get on here and be authentic. Get on here and show people your personality. So many people I meet there in business or other things like, man, I don't want to get on there. I'm not no prank type of dude. Then don't get on there and do pranks. It's not about you getting on here and saying, I have to be this person. It's you getting on here and saying, I got to be me. I'm going to come off as me. If I'm on here talking about business, then yeah, I'm not going to be doing pranks and I'm not going to be doing these different things like that, like a Kai Cenat, like a DDG would do. I'm going to get on here, I'm going to talk business like the business people would do. but YouTube has a place for everybody. So again, get on here and do you, because content is everything. When it comes to promoting anything, that's the whole part of the YouTube Partner Program. It's like, listen, if you can show YouTube that you are a great marketer and that you can build a community, YouTube will connect you with business owners that want to promote their brand, which essentially you can make money when that happens. Not just that, but you can learn how to build your own. You've already built a community, so now you can learn how to build your own business, because you got people that really rock with you and understand what you're doing, and they want to support you. So again, man, don't give up. Keep pushing yourself. Don't let this minor setback stop you from achieving your goals. You got it. I know I'm not giving up. I know I'm like, as sad as I was, as hurt as I was, I'm like, yo, I'm going to get to it regardless, because again, it's in my heart to do it. I believe in myself, and you have to believe in yourself. It don't matter. You get knocked down 1 time, 2 times, you got to get back up. You get knocked down 1,000 times, you got to get back up 1,001, 1,002. You have to, right? So don't let this deter you from reaching your goals, and don't let this stop you. Keep going. You got it. Again, man, as always, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.